Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Air Sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka naman magpa-personal palm reading mula sa akin, pero kailangan mo lang mag-avail ng ating bracelet sa TikTok. Ayan, yung mga Pio bracelet. Crystals po iyan. And, yung reading is free lang talaga. Kung mag-avail ka ng crystals bracelets. So, para dun sa mga nagtatanong, para sa personal reading na personal palm reading na walang mga TikTok or hindi pwede sa lugar nila yung TikTok. Aalamin ko pa po kung ano yung pwede kong magawa doon. Okay? So, let's start your reading. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. For air sign. Knight of Wands, Four of Wands is here. Nine of Wands and Ace of Pentacles. One more card. I don't know if you're dealing with a fire sign. Ang daming fire energy. You do have your Five of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the King of Wands. Inom lang ako, guys. Okay, air sign. I can actually see travels in the near future for you. Hindi lang isang beses. Maraming beses na pagta-travel. And this is for the future. Hindi mo pa yung nakikita ngayon kasi ang dami pang challenges ngayon sa buhay mo. Like, maybe, may kinalaman sa mga new beginnings na may kinalaman sa pera. Pero in the near future, nakakita tayo ng career na magbibigay ng magandang travel for you. So, for some of you, literal na yung career has something to do with pagta-travel. For some of you, pwedeng yung career mo ngayon, maybe this is something new, ay magbigay ng reward in the future na may kinalaman sa pagta-travel. Okay? So, napakaganda. So, air sign with the Five of Swords. I'm seeing someone here na very much hurt. Pwedeng dinidistansyahan ka niya. Dumidistansya siya sa'yo. Kasi nasasaktan siya. And I'm feeling niya nandyan ka pa rin. Like, hindi ka pa rin nawawala sa buhay niya completely. Pero nasasaktan siya. So, alamin natin. Air sign. Please tell me for air sign, please. Messages for air sign. Messages for air sign. Messages for air sign, please. For air sign. Nine of Wands is, that's the Ten of Wands. You do have here the Hierophant. That's the, what do you call this? It's Libra energy, so that's the Justice card. I don't know if you're dealing with the Libra kasi ang naririnig ko kanina is not the name of the card, pero yung mismo energy niya is the Libra. So, I don't know if you're dealing with the Libra. or you are a Libra. Uh, Two of Cups is here. Eight of Wands, the Queen of Cups, and the Two of Pentacles. Stars, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, um, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is also here. Actually, all the signs are here. High Priestess, I don't know. This person, alam mo, energy to ng person mo eh, who really miss you a lot. I don't know, yung iba sa inyo, you are in a relationship. Maganda yung relasyon. Maganda yung flow ng relationship mo. Ninyo. May mga challenges, may mga problema, or mga iniisip mo lang na problema, but nangingibabaw pa rin yung love dito. And someone is really missing you right now. This person is afraid. And I feel like hindi niya kayang ipakita ang sarili niya because he don't know or she don't know kung paano i-reveal sa'yo ang katotohanan dito regarding sa kanyang emotions. This person has a lot of love for you. I feel like this person, meron din siyang options. Pero with the 8 of Wands, napipilitan yung energy. It's like because there's expectations or like maybe from a mother or a father figure. So, nakakita tayo ng expectations mula dito sa taong to. Like, yung person na ito, kung meron man siyang options, there's definitely people around them na parang, I don't know if you're dealing with the air sign. Nakakita ko ng air sign. But anyway, nagiging mas matimbang yung other options kumpara sa iyo sa ngayon dahil sa mga taong nakapaligid sa kanya or sa kanila. And you do have here the 9 of Cups. Nine of Cups is here. 3 of Cups. High Priestess. 8 of Pentacles. Page of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You do have here the Ace of Cups and the Emperor is here. At the bottom of the deck. Actually, itong bottom of the deck, this is your person. I can see reconciliation sa inyo when one of you is already on the top. And I can see na yung success yan. Kapag nandun na. Once na nakuha na yung success ng isa sa inyo, someone here is going to reconcile. I feel like you will be very busy in the future pagdating sa iyong money, pagdating sa iyong career. And I feel like hindi mo mapapansin ang pagbalik nitong taong ito. Like, it's like surprise, some kind of surprise. And yeah, I can see pagta-travel coming from this person. And there's definitely new beginnings sa inyong dalawa. I can see possible freedom. So, maaaring babalik yung person na ito, but I want to clarify the Ace of Cups, please. Yeah, there's this Queen of Wands. You do have here the Hierophant. And Two of Swords. 10 of Pentacles. kung hindi ako nagkakamali na nasabi ko yung Hierophant kanina in a different card. I don't know, but it's just Hierophant talaga yung nakita ko kanina. Maybe, I don't know if you're dealing with a Taurus. That's weird, guys. But anyway, nagpakita ulit itong Hierophant. But the Queen of Wands is here. I can see communication through video call. Yan. Long distance communication in the future. Especially nandito yung Two of Swords. And I feel like may mga i-reveal or sasabihin sa'yo itong person na ito, but I don't know kung paniniwalaan mo. High chance na hindi. High chance na hindi mo papansinin or hindi mo papaniwalaan yung mga sasabihin niya sa'yo. Okay? But I can see communication through video call. Yeah, the Judgment is here. The Nine of Swords and the Nine of Pentacles. That's 99. Actually, tatlong 9 ang nagpakita. 9 of Cups, 9 of Pentacles, and the 9 of Swords. That's 999. And that's an angel number. Okay, nagpakita rin ng isa pang 9 dito, which is the 9 of Wands, so 9999. So, I don't know kung lagi nagpapakita sa'yo yun. Maybe it has a message for you. Punta ka sa Google, search mo, angel number 999, 99999, and then take only what resonates kung ano yung message na magre-resonate sa'yo doon. Maybe it has a message. Maybe your angel guides has a message for you. Anyway, sa nakikita natin dito, in the future, one of you will be very successful. One of you is hindi maganda yung takbo ng buhay. And then, maybe there's a lot of realizations. And I feel like that's your person mo yon, nababalik siya. And then, there's a lot of realizations pagkagising sa katotohanan. And I feel like this person is coming back because na-realize niya na in the future, I will only be happy if I'm with you. Ikaw lang makakapagpasaya sa future ko. So, gagawa ng paraan itong person na ito na bumalik sa'yo. So, that's the energy. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.